Hi guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. It's Halloween. Happy Halloween to you all. And tonight I needed something quick and easy. My daughter's got a party going on here with loads of her friends coming round. My son's going off out trick-or-treating, so I needed to pull something together pretty quick, smart. And what better way than to cook spider steaks? Yeah, spider steaks, often known to as Popeye steaks or oyster steaks. It's a cut that's right next to the rump, and I'm told they are absolutely delicious. It's a first for me. I've never ever eaten them, but I do believe it is quite a close cooking time to like a bavette or a flank steak, and I cannot wait to try these. And we're going to be serving it with some nice courgette fries as well. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So if you look at the steaks, I've got 4 lovely steaks here. I'm going to be cooking one up for you, but you can see where they get their name, spider steaks. This lovely fat content around those steaks is amazing, and I know that's going to give these steaks wonderful flavour, and they're lovely and aged too. So these are about 250 grams per steak, and they're so cheap. 250 grams was like £3.40, I think it was, per steak. So really economical and really quick. I'm going to serve mine with a tarragon butter. So here I've just got some chopped tarragon, fresh tarragon, use dried if you've got it, perfectly good. And then a decent knob of butter here, which is salted butter. And then for our courgettes, I've just got some courgettes here, which I've cut on a mandolin into sort of matchstick style shape there. Yeah, so nice and thin. And they're just soaking there in a little bit of milk. And then they're going to go into a flour, which is plain flour, and corn flour mix, which I've just seasoned with salt and pepper. And that is all you're going to need. So I'll see you over the hob. Let's get cooking. Okay, guys, so there's our steak. I've basically seasoned it with salt and pepper on both sides. It's at room temperature. You need your pan, really high heat for this one. And this is going to take 2 minutes aside. I'm cooking this medium rare, so I'm going to be cooking it to an internal temperature of 55, between 54 and 55 C. So we'll give it 2 minutes and I'll turn it then. Okay, let's flip it over. So we've got some nice colorization. Oh wow, look at that. Perfect. And we're going to give that another 2 minutes on that side. Okay, guys, that's had its second 2 minutes. We're going to go in with some garlic and a little bit of butter, and we're just going to baste this now. Turn the heat down a little bit and just spoon that butter over. Lovely. And then we'll flip it over. Again on the other side. Plenty of butter. Give it that lovely nuttiness. Oh, yeah. Smells so good. I'm going to flip it again. And get that, even mush that in. Lovely, the garlic. That's it. Keep going with it. That's it. Just do a temperature check on that. And we are done. So I'm going to let that rest now for 6 minutes, which gives us time to cook up our courgette fries. Okay, guys, so I've just got vegetable oil, which is on a high heat. So you want to bring this really as high as you can or as you dare. And all I'm doing is, I'll just show you that, our courgettes are just going in. It's a 50-50 mix of flour and corn flour. And shake them off as much as you can, and then put them into your pan. That's it. Don't overcrowd the pan. And they're going to take 2 minutes to cook. Our 2 minutes is up. Let's fish these out. They look really nice and crispy. I mean, these just take no time at all. And I promise you, these will be a real winner in your household. Trust me. I'm just putting them in to a dish here with a little bit of kitchen paper in there just to drain off any excess oil. But that's it. We are done. So I will see you back over at the bench. Let's give it all a try. Okay, Let's see how we've done. Camera lady, let's take a look. I cannot wait to try this. As I said, never had it before. So let's slice some bits up. Let's see how it looks. Oh, that is perfect. Look at that. Exactly as I wanted. Look at that. Lovely and rare. It's cutting like butter. Let's cut a bit more. Oh, look at that. As we get more to the center, a little bit rarer for those people that like it rare, like me. I've coated it in our butter. I mixed together the tarragon and the butter. And obviously we've got our courgette fries. All that's left for us to do is give this a try. Cannot wait. Right, I'm going to go for some of this bit here in the middle. If we can see that, how easy that is to cut through there. Look at that, like butter. Oh, wow. The best steak I never knew about. Oh my God. That is amazing. That fat content on the outside of that steak has just done wonders. It is absolutely phenomenal. I'll have another bit. I'm not going to cut it this time. Get a bit of that tarragon butter as well on there. That is my new favourite steak, without a doubt. Let's try some of these. Courgette fries. One of my favourites. I don't know if you can hear the crispiness. Excellent. Sorry guys. Amazing, amazing. No tricks here, just treats. I'm telling you, cook this, such a quick, economical meal. And what I think of it, thank you to F. Conisbee and Son again for the recommendation on the meat, specifically Dean. Dean, thank you so much for telling me about this spider steak. I would have never known, and I'm glad you've brought it onto my radar. And guys, I hope it's on your radar too. Definitely one to cook. Guys, I really appreciate you watching through to the very, very end. If you're new to the channel and you like the content, you're not subscribed, please do consider doing so. You can click on the watermark or the subscribe button down below. And please also share with friends, family, and anyone you know, basically. If you've got a recipe that you want me to cook, send it through to me. I will cook it for you. I will put all of the details of today's recipe, including the details about the steak and the courgette fries, down below in the description as always. I wish you all a happy Halloween. I hope you get many treats and not too many tricks. And all that's left for me to say is, it's cooking good.